And literally, look how busy this whole area is. Like the train, so once the railway arrived, they built this right over here, completely clouding any view that you got of the River Dee, which was down there. Back then, none of this would have been here, and you would have been able to see ships. Back then, when this was sort of first being built, still ships were being used down there, so none of this would have been here. But I do kind of like it how we've just got so many levels of different industry just all piled on top of each other. This is like really low down, so when trains come over here, it must really rattle and shake this place.